video?
God.
All right, it's videoing.
Put this on my Facebook too. I got my first hit. First try.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, should we go? I started at a time. 30 minutes. Is it here? At 30 minutes.
Brady, come be his little slave.
No, you pick it up. He was doing yours.
Zach, you need to step back and put.
Yeah, you're not hitting it with the head of this axe.
You completely missed it.
Where? I'm almost just
On
like
hills, on
this.
hills. Don't swing. Hit me in the head.
I like it hurts
I
you.
don't have to go to the hospital. Why do you get to kick your butt for it?
Hit it one more time like that, Zach. Stand up, Timmy. All right, let Timmy try the other one.